Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can check eBay sales history. If you are a dropshipper or if you are just selling on eBay and you want to know other sellers how many items they have sold in the last month, or you would just want to see sales history, then this video is for you. What you guys need is you want to click on you want to just open a new tab and then search for web store. Okay, so we are going to search for an extension that will help us guys see the sales history. Now what you guys need in the top right, you want to search for eBay sales history and then click enter. And then what you guys need, it says here add the history button to the title on eBay product pages to open purchase history. Now you want to click on the extension. As you can see, it's called eBay sold history button, and you want to click on add to Chrome and then click add extension. After guys you click on add extension, now every item you open you will be able to see the sales history. Let me open an item right now, for example a product that is related to makeup, this one. So this one has 71 sales, and as you can see I am not able guys to click on that, but before eBay has the option where you can click here and then you will be able to see the sales history. Now because you have downloaded this extension, you will just have to click on history. As you can see, just click on history and then you will be able to see all the sales history. Just log in into your account, you will be able to do that. Now every item you open on eBay you will be able to see history next to the title of the eBay if the eBay product. If this video guys helped you, please drop a like. If you have any questions, I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments, I reply to everyone. So if you want to start eBay dropshipping from AliExpress, click the video on the screen and see you guys in the next video.